Happy Mail Queen. I have another haul for you guys, and this is a Michael's haul. I went there a couple of times this week, and let me just share with you guys what I found. So, as you may all know, their Easter supplies are 40% off already, so I couldn't resist. I just had to grab some felt stickers, so I did buy these, and I actually showed it on my last, I already opened it. I showed these on my last video. So you have yellow bunnies, white bunnies, and then you have this kind of a coral color, and then you have some peep looking bunnies here that are mint green and the darker pink. So super cute, and you get so many. So these are fun to just gift to your friends, and they were $2.99 but minus 40% off. And then of course I had to grab these as well because they're just too cute, because I really like the chick, and I showed this on my last video too. So you basically just get, aside from this bunny though, let me just show you, there's another bunny in there which is just the bunny head, which is so cute, and then the rest is their flowers, a few of these flowers, and then the chick, and then the carrot. So really cute. Again, they actually came out to less than, gosh, it was like $1.49 I think, because I also had a 20% coupon in addition, so when I bought these. So that's why I grabbed them, because it was such a great deal. It actually came out to $1.43. Yes, $1.43. And so I also grabbed these wooden ones because they're super tiny, and I like that, and they're wood. And I wanted to put them in one of the little containers that I bought. So I bought that one. So those are the bunnies, and then the little chicks. I think they're so cute. So I got that one too. And then when I walked in, I saw these bags, and I think Erica had shared these on her channel. I think she was the one that shared it. I had to grab these, you guys. So they had, I want to say 2 or 3 different kinds. One was more of a, like a burlap bag, I think, or, you know, that brown burlap color. But I really like this one. So I grabbed a couple of these, and what I love about this is when you pull the drawstring. Oh, it didn't do it on that one. Well, the ears kind of flop down. Well, you can flop them down or you can keep them up, but they're just so cute. I love the face. I love the face, and I love the little, the cheeks. So I thought those were super cute, and since I had that extra 20% off, I had to grab them. So these came out to, what did these come out to? These fabric bags came out to $1.67 when I bought them. So super cute, and that was a great deal. I grabbed these just because they're so cute, and this will be fun for summer, and you can color them up. And what I really liked about them are the sweets in them. I don't care so much about the pizza, but yeah, I love these. And look at the little popsicle even have sunglasses. So, and you get a few. There's 20 pieces in here, guys. So that is a really great deal. So you get 5 of each. So again, they were on sale. So they were 40% off, minus the 20% as well. So these, what are these called? Cheeky Modern Pop. The die-cut shapes came out to $2.87. So not bad. So, and then their washi tape this week were 40% off with the coupon. And so I did grab 3 that I liked. This one I've forever wanted. I don't think I got this. I hope I don't have it yet. But I've been wanting this one. I hope I didn't pick it up already. But it's just so cute. So I'll have to check and see if I have that one. But I know I wanted these for a while. And then I wanted to get the mermaid one because I love the purple and blue color. I just think it's so pretty. And it's, you know, foiled. And then this one I've been wanting to with the little wine on it. I keep picking it up and then putting it back. And anyway, I just decided, okay, I'm just going to grab them right now. So I grabbed those. And then I also grabbed this, Celebrate It. I love ribbon, grosgrain ribbon that have stitching on it. And it's very hard to find like this color, okay? At Michael's, they only have, I think, the deeper purple. I've never seen lavender, and so I wanted to get it. So that's one of my favorite, you know, ribbons, are the ones with the stitching on it. So I liked, like most of these colors I'm going to use. I mean, first of all, this one you can use for Christmas, for Valentine's. This, all these other ones for Easter. And they are $16.99, but I had a coupon. So let's see, how much did I pay? I think I paid $10.19 for them. But you get 8 in there. So really, it's just a little bit over $1. Right? 1, 2, yeah, there's 8. So that's not bad because, you know, the individual ones, when you buy them, it's still, you know, about $1 maybe, or just a little bit over $1. So I figured it's worth it to just get the whole set, since they're all pastel colors. Well, with the exception of the red, but I had to grab it. And then I went back again today. Now, I didn't have the 20% coupon anymore, but I had the 50% coupon for one item. So I was eyeing this one, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to grab it now because they only had 2 left, and I figured, you know, with the 50% off, let me just get it now. So I paid about $10 for this one, and I do have a large cupcake tie, but I don't think it's as big as this one. And I think the other one, this one has a lot more layering. The other one that I have, I don't think it has as many dies for layering. And what I like about this is, if I can get it out, sorry, let me just show you guys. I've been wanting this since Stephanie Bernard came out with these. Oh my gosh. And I saw these on her website. But it's just really cute just to do like a quick, look how big it is. Here's my hand, you guys. It's pretty big. And look, they're just individual layers. Like, you can do just the shape of the cupcake. It's really cute. Sorry guys if you guys hear my son singing the national anthem. He's being goofy right now with his friends. He's talking to his friends on the phone. Anyway, I just thought it was cute. I want to make this. And I know, you know, there's going to be birthdays coming up. So it's just a quick way to make a birthday card, and I just think it's so cute. And it's a nice size. So for 10 bucks, I wanted to get it. Okay, so and then today, aside from this die, I wanted to buy some backyard table items that I had been eyeing. Oh, I got this the other day too when they had the 20%, additional 20% off. So I grabbed this, you guys. When they came out with this, I've been wanting it because of the, let me show you guys, because of the shaped sequins. Let's see if I can open it. They have the flower sequins. And I just love it. It's so pretty. Look. Can you guys see that? They're flowers. So it comes in purple. It comes in blue flowers. It comes in this kind of a sagey green. I don't know if it's sage green. It's green. It comes in white. So I've been waiting for this to go on sale. And with that additional 20% off, I just had to grab it. This one's like a rose color. And then the gold. And then the rest are like chunky glitter. And see, gold. So I do have some flower sequins, but I don't have the tiny ones. I have the really big flower ones. And you get 6 flower ones. You know, half is floral. So I wanted to get it. So this was $12.99. And then they were 40% off minus the 20% off. So it came out to $6.23. Oh, right? I mean, 40% off, it was $7.79 minus 20% off, additional $6.23. I mean, that is a bargain. I thought it was such a great deal, so I had to grab that. So that was the other day. And then today, I decided to go back for the backyard table. This one, now there's like 3 different kinds, but this one is my favorite. I just like the colors on this one. So that was $5.99, so it came out to like 3 something, and then this one $4.99, and I like it. I love the colors, so I said I'm gonna grab it because there's only 2 left. This was the only one left of the mason jar shakers, and so I grabbed them because I wanted to maybe use them for centers. And then where they had like the cupcakes, baking cupcake, the Easter ones, I thought this is so pretty and I think it will go well with this collection. So I grabbed it so I can make some, you know, quick rosettes. And then, so that was also 40% off. And then I wanted to get these postcards because they're just so pretty and you get so many. And so these were like 3 something, but look how pretty they are. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 each. So this one says be happy, hello. Look at the little mason jar with the flowers, and look at the bag. It's so pretty. Sending love and hugs. I love this one too, so I grabbed it. And then this one here, which you have a dragonfly. Really pretty. And then I couldn't decide between the 2, so I just got both. I love this one too, Rose the Day Away. Oh, sorry, Rosé the Day Away. And I can totally give that to my sister because she loves wine. So there's that. There's Wine a Little, Laugh a Lot. Really cute. And then Feeling Free. Really pretty. And then Cheers. That's the last one. I just thought those were super pretty. And so I grabbed them. So we'll see what I do with them. And oh, let me just show you guys. Let's see. Do I have time? 13 minutes. I think I have time to just show you this paper in case I don't recall seeing anybody do a flip through, but I'm sure someone did. Maybe Ramona did a flip through of this one when they first came out, but I want to see it, so this is the last thing I'm going to show you guys. So if you're, you know, you don't want to see it, then you don't have to. But look how pretty. So you get 2 of each. Look how pretty this one is. Really pretty. And then this, cut apart. I couldn't help it. I'm not into wine either. I don't even drink, but it's just so pretty. And I like wine bottles anyway. Just the bottles. Look how pretty. But I love all the florals. And they're pastels. And I love the gold foiling on these. And since they were on sale, I mean, I wish I would have gotten it, you know, with my 20% coupon. I don't know why I didn't, but oh well. Stop and Smell the Roses. This one. So I could have gotten it for less, but I didn't grab it when I should have. This one is like a rosy gold. Oh, and look, you get more cut-aparts. Yay! I didn't realize there was 2 cut-aparts. So isn't that pretty? I love it. So this is another cute floral one. And that's it for my Michaels haul. I hope you guys liked my haul. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.